All eyes remain on Spotify Camp Nou, where fresh progress continues to take shape across the construction site. From expanding facade coverage to new developments on the compression ring and diamond structures, another productive day is bringing the stadium one step closer to its future vision. With work advancing on multiple fronts, there's plenty to cover in today's update. So, let's jump straight into it. We begin in the Gol Sud area, where facade installation continues to move forward steadily. Since the last visit, a significant number of new lamas have been installed. The lower section of this sector is now almost completely covered, while additional lamas have also been added higher up the structure. Although several pieces still remain to be installed, the overall progress is becoming increasingly visible. Work on the surrounding support structures appears largely unchanged, but preparations continue for the next phases of facade installation. Attention then shifts upward to the compression ring, where a newly installed box section has recently been lifted into position. The large component has now been connected to one of the radial beams, extending construction further into the middle section of Gol Sud. Tower crane slings were still attached during filming, indicating that the installation had likely been completed only a short time earlier. One section of the ring still awaits its pillar and radial beam, but the surrounding segments are now increasingly connected, bringing this important structural system closer to completion. Another important milestone can be seen around the mobility core. Most of the facade anchors have now been installed, with only a handful remaining before the entire section is ready for alignment work. Once final adjustments are completed, crews will be able to begin installing lamas and gradually close this area of the stadium. This zone will eventually house elevators and stairways, making it one of the most important circulation points inside the new Camp Nou. Moving toward the lateral side of the stadium, one of the most striking sights is the huge number of lamas recently delivered to the site. Large stacks of facade elements are now waiting for installation, clearly showing that facade work will continue accelerating in the coming weeks. Workers were already preparing support structures while another lama was being positioned for installation. The growing stockpile suggests that several additional sectors could soon begin receiving facade coverage. The diamond construction areas remain among the busiest locations on site. Numerous workers were active throughout several diamond sections, carrying out reinforcement, preparation, and structural tasks. Construction teams could also be seen working on pillar reinforcement zones, while other crews continued preparing future concrete works. The amount of manpower currently concentrated in these areas highlights their importance within the next stage of the project. One of the most important developments of the day is the start of formwork installation on another diamond structure. Crews were seen positioning new formwork panels while multiple workers continued preparing the surrounding area. Although the visible walls remain relatively low at this stage, the beginning of formwork marks a significant step toward vertical progress. With activity increasing rapidly, this diamond could see major advancement over the coming days. Nearby, the most advanced diamond continues progressing at an impressive pace. The upper reinforcement framework is now largely in place, while workers continue completing the remaining sections. Most of the structure appears ready for the next major construction phase, and concrete works on the upper portion could begin relatively soon if progress continues at the current rate. Large quantities of sandwich panels can also be seen stored nearby, ready for future installation. For the first time, slab panels have started appearing above the supporting structure, showing clear progress toward the formation of new floor levels. These panels are already being positioned while additional materials remain stacked nearby awaiting installation. This development demonstrates how quickly the diamond structures are beginning to take shape. Work also continues around the lateral structural framework. Most beam sections have already been installed, particularly on the right-hand side of the structure. However, several gaps remain on the left side where additional pieces still need to be placed before the framework can be considered complete. Although progress here is less visible than in other areas, construction continues steadily. Arriving at Gol Nord, further progress can be seen in the facade system. Several new lamas have been installed around the corner section, significantly increasing coverage compared to previous visits. Crews have been working both on the lower false ceiling area and on the upper facade sections, gradually extending the finished appearance around the stadium. Little by little, The exterior vision of the new Camp Nou is becoming easier to imagine. Activity also remains visible across several areas of Gol Nord, where multiple elevated platforms are currently in operation. Workers can be seen securing facade anchors and carrying out finishing tasks on different levels of the structure, while additional crews continue working from the cantilever sections above. Although facade installation on this first level is progressing steadily, it remains the most time-consuming section due to the additional lower soffit area that must also be covered. Once work advances to the upper tiers, installation is expected to move considerably faster, allowing larger sections of the stadium facade to take shape in a shorter period of time. From the corner area, the recently delivered escalators remain clearly visible. Protected by temporary coverings, these future access systems represent another important step toward preparing the stadium's interior infrastructure. Additional elevated platforms were also active nearby as crews continued work on interior steel elements and protective coatings. While less visible than exterior construction, interior development continues moving forward simultaneously. The Tribuna side of the stadium also remained active throughout the day. Construction teams used cranes to move large structural components onto the cantilever areas, while hydraulic hammer operations were observed on one of the stair sections. Additional prefabricated elements have also arrived on site, though their final destination has not yet been confirmed. Material deliveries continue arriving regularly, ensuring work can advance across multiple fronts at the same time. Work on the third tier continues to focus on the seating structure and finishing elements. Crews are making progress on the installation of prefabricated seating sections, gradually expanding the completed areas across the upper bowl. At the same time, ceiling work is continuing on the expansion joints between structural sections, an important step that helps prepare the tier for future finishing and weatherproofing activities. Work on the second cantilever continues to move forward as crews focus on preparing the structure for future roof-related installations. Activity remains concentrated around the upper sections of the stadium, where support elements and connection points are gradually taking shape with the compression ring advancing above. The second cantilever is becoming increasingly integrated into the overall structural framework. The first cantilever, which forms part of the VIP ring level, remains structurally complete and continues to show a high level of development compared to other sections of the stadium. No major new structural additions were visible during this update, but the area remains fully prepared for the next construction phases. Finishing works, service installations, and future spectator-related infrastructure will continue transforming this level into one of the most premium areas of the stadium. Another day at Spotify Camp Nou has delivered visible progress across nearly every major construction zone. Facade installation continues expanding. The compression ring keeps moving forward. The mobility cores are approaching important milestones, and the diamond structures are advancing rapidly toward their next phases. With so many areas developing simultaneously, each visit reveals a clearer picture of what the future stadium will look like. And with the pace currently being maintained, even bigger changes could be waiting just around the corner. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back very soon with another Camp Nou construction update.